Lead me to the docks. There's a ship without a name there, and it's sailing to the middle of the sea.